Hey, what's up friends? It's Aki here. If you've been watching my wind tunnel build, you are probably the DIY type and maybe even thinking about building this on your own. One of the tricky parts with these builds is to get a clean and smooth airflow. Without something to straighten it out, the smoke just kind of swirls around and get really messy. You lose that nice laminar flow that really shows how the air moves across the chamber. So to help with that, I'm making these mesh blocks that I used in my build available on my website. They come as a set of two. You just place one in the front where the air enters the chamber and where the smoke exits out through the back right before the exhaust fan. The setup helps take care of the turbulence on both ends, and it works surprisingly well. These mesh blocks have really fine and consistent holes that do a really good job of straightening out the air as it passes through. And you can definitely DIY something like this with just the straws and corrugated cardboard, but honestly, it's a very time-consuming process, and the result usually is not as clean as something like a mesh block that I make. The blocks are 12 by 12 centimeters, which fits most standard exhaust fan. All you really need is a simple enclosure to hold them. Something like a cardboard box will work. So if you are building your own wind tunnel, this should save you a bunch of time and make your results look a whole lot better. So along with the mesh blocks, there's one more thing that I'm making available on my website, and that's the mist maker. I don't know why, but for a lot of people, including myself, creating smoke or mist for the wind tunnels ends up being very challenging. I think it's because the mist is kind of, mysterious and unpredictable, and there's no one-size-fits-all method. But truth is, without a smoking source, a wind tunnel just isn't complete, right? You need that visual flow to really see what's going on. So I'm putting together this mist maker that's super simple and clean. It just uses water. Remove the lid and pour some water. As you can see, smooth and thick mist just start to flow out. There's no fan or anything that's pushing it out. It just naturally flows out of the device. I think the best part is you can move it around and aim the mist to exactly where you want it. So you can hit the different parts of the cars, versus like a stationary mist, it would just hit the same spot. It gives you a lot of flexibility and the laminar effect that really shows off how the air is behaving. So yeah, both the mesh blocks and the mist generator are now up on my website. If you're building your own DIY wind tunnel, these should save you time and get you better results right away. As always, thanks for all the support so far, and I will catch you in the next one.